I recently received a comment from one of my viewers that stated, as a mathematician tutor from Nigeria, please, where can I sell my service and make good returns? So in this video, I've actually put together a list of 6 online side hustles that you can start from anywhere in the world. You can make $100 per day. You can make $500 per day. It's really up to you how far and how high you want to scale this, but go ahead and watch this entire video because I actually like number 4 the most. Hello, my name is Alston with alstongodbolt.com, and I create content to help you make money online. If you are looking for real tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 different online side hustles that anybody can start from anywhere in the world. You don't have to have a ton of subscribers to start. You don't need a bunch of followers. You just need to go ahead and get started. Remember, I'm going to do this with the lens of a follower that says they are a mathematics tutor from Nigeria and they want to start making money. So the first thing that we can do is we can simply create digital products. Now, I've jumped over to a keyword research tool that I like to use. It's called Ahrefs, and I just typed in calculators. Now, most likely this person that is a math tutor, they could go out and create different types of calculators. As you can see here, through Ahrefs, calculators is searched 322,000 times per month. There are over 36,000 keywords. So what this person could do is they could actually go out and create different calculators and sell them at different locations. And so here's the trick. We go out and, for example, we create a mortgage calculator. This could be a Excel spreadsheet or even a Google Sheet. We create it in that software and then we could sell it over on Etsy. And then what we could do on top of that is we could actually include a link to sell our services. So what we could do on the back end is provide like a link in the Google Sheet or Google Doc and say, hey, look, if you want even more help, if you want tutoring services, if you want to learn more about whatever it is that my specialty is, click this link and we can actually set up a one-on-one tutor. So this is a way to make more money on the back end. On the front end with selling stuff, digital products over on Etsy, you're not going to make a bunch of money upfront. You may make $10 for each sale, but you have the opportunity to make more money on the back end. Now, you don't just have to use Etsy. You can use other platforms that people go to, other marketplaces that people go to buy and sell different digital downloads. But as you can see here, there are tons of things people are searching. Now, what you want to do is you want to find one that you could make. So you may be looking for things like templates, calculators, downloadable, things like that. You're simply going to go out and create it and then post it over on Etsy. And just to show you what you can do is I'm just going to bring up Etsy.com like this. And I can just paste in the word calculator or calculators plural, and you're going to see that there are people that are searching and buying different types of calculators. So just to show you one real quick here, we're just going to paste that in. We're going to paste it in like this, and you're going to see people are looking up different types of calculators. And once again, like I said, the method's really simple. You're going to create these different calculators, Debt Snowball. There's multiple ones of that. You can create these calculators, sell it on Etsy, and then offer an upsell where you can sell your services. But that's just one way. A second way is actually with affiliate marketing. And this is one of my favorite ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that it works is you're going to go out and find different problems people are having. As we saw on the previous screen, people want different calculators. They want to know the best calculator for the SAT. You're going to go out and create content to help solve that problem, and then you can recommend different things that they need. For example, you could use something like TikTok or Instagram or LinkedIn and provide helpful information and then recommend the best SAT calculator for 17-year-olds. What you'd want to do is go out and figure out exactly what people want to know. In my video that I uploaded yesterday, where I went step by step through affiliate marketing, watch that video to figure out exactly how to figure out what people want to know. But you could start affiliate marketing, and there are tons of different affiliate programs that are available worldwide. Now, not every affiliate program is available worldwide, but you should be able to find one that meets your needs. But I really like affiliate marketing because you don't have to have your own products. You don't have to worry about customer service. You're simply going to create content to solve someone's problem, and then you can recommend a product or service that will help them. But number 2 is affiliate marketing. Number 3 is actually with a Facebook group. So if you wanted to make money online globally, you could start a Facebook group. Look at this. I just typed in math. I wasn't really sure what to type in. I could type in calculus or algebra or something like that. But you can see that this top group, 15,000 members, 595,000 members for math formulas. Mathematics group, 414,000 members. Mathematics short trick, not sure what that is, but it has over 1.7 million members, And you could start this and you don't have to talk to anybody. You can simply create helpful content. And then if people ask for more assistance, you can reach out to them and say, hey, look, I can do tutoring for you on a one-on-one format. You can also ask that they supply their name and their email, and then you can do email marketing with them. And you can actually start email marketing for free. So that's a bonus tip. That's tip number 7. You could start email marketing with your Facebook group. You simply just need to create content consistently. And the cool thing with Facebook is Facebook will start recommending people that will be interested in your group. So if you're creating a mathematics Facebook group, eventually people that are struggling with math are going to find your group as long as you're uploading consistently, and then you can start growing a group from there. So yes, you could start a Facebook group for math and make a full-time income. Whatever full-time income is for you, you could make it. But after a Facebook group, you could start a YouTube channel. Now, I've talked about this a few different times, but I typed in math for third graders, and you're going to see that the top result here has 2.9 million views from 8 years ago, multiplying for second, third multiplication flashcards. So you could create multiplication flashcards and get tons of views, and you're going to make money in a few different ways. Before I talk about that, this is the key to YouTube. People think that, hey, I live in the Philippines or Cambodia or wherever it may be. I'm going to be negatively impacted by the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube doesn't care where you are. YouTube cares where the viewers are. So if you're creating content that people in developed countries or the United States, Canada, United Kingdom want to watch, then you can make a high amount of money. You can earn pretty good income. The biggest misconception out there is I have to be in the United States in order to make a lot of money with YouTube. That's false. You have to create the content that people in the United States want to watch for you to make a lot of money. And so as you can see here, you could simply create YouTube videos helping people with different math problems. And then you could put a link in your description and say, hey, look, if you want even more assistance, I'm willing to work with you one-on-one personally and professionally. And then you can charge them whatever you feel like you want to charge them. And then you can just hook up with Stripe or PayPal, any of those other payment processors, Payoneer, and it will work. But just go here to YouTube and you can type in math for, you can type in calculus tutor, whatever your specialty is. There are tons of opportunities. But I really like starting a YouTube channel. One of the cool things with math is it's evergreen. As you can see here, this one video from 8 years ago is still getting views. It's evergreen. So there's always going to be a third grader that needs help with math. And so you can create content once and it can be around and relevant for months and years to come. But after starting a YouTube channel, you could simply make money sharing your knowledge. Now, what you can do, if we look at this, I went over to udemy.com and I typed in mathematics. The top result, this person is selling their mathematics course for $84.99. He has over 35 reviews. Now, what you'd want to do is you'd probably want to do a specialization, again, calculus, algebra, some of the different mathematic components that are out there. You can see this one, Mathematical Foundations for Machine Learning, very targeted. It has over 3,200 reviews. If we look at this, we're going to see exactly how many students have enrolled, and that's going to give us a better idea of how much money you can make. Now, the only drawback to using Udemy is that most of the time, the courses are selling for $9.99. And if you don't bring the customer, Udemy will take about like 80% of it. So you'll only make $2.50. If you bring the customer from another platform or through email marketing, you're going to make closer to $7, $8. So if we look at this course has 95,000 students. And so if each one was selling for $10, you can do the math. That's going to be a substantial amount of money. The other thing that people don't care about, and it's more of a smokescreen that we tell ourselves, people don't care about your accent. If you have an accent, nobody's going to care. As long as you have relevant information and the information can help solve a problem, that's going to be what's most important. But you could start on Udemy. What I'd recommend that you do is start on Udemy. And then once you start making money, start creating the course and selling it and hosting it yourself. You can use Teachable. You could use Kajabi. You can use a ton of different platforms out there, WordPress, ClickFunnels. Sell the course yourself. You can sell it for more money and you can actually keep more money as well. But after selling courses on Udemy, you could also start a blog. Believe it or not, blogging is still profitable and popular. And you can see here, this mathblog.com is getting a bunch of traffic. I looked over on Ahrefs, and according to Ahrefs, this blog is getting about 11,000 visitors every single month. Now, you can monetize your blog in a few different ways. You can offer your tutoring services, you can sell a course, you can put ads right on your site, as this website has done. You could sell a membership site where every month you're teaching something new. There's a bunch of different ways that you could sell. You could start a Patreon where you're offering exclusive access. You can sell guest posts, so people will want to take advantage of your domain authority so that they can build their business and they'll pay you for it. But there's a bunch of different ways that you can monetize your math blog. So just to recap, the 6 different ways are: you can create and sell digital products. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3, start a math Facebook group. Number 4, a YouTube channel, as I showed you, 8 million views over the last few years. You can share your knowledge in the form of a course, and then you can start a blog. Now, one other thing with sharing your knowledge with a course, and what I actually did, as I offered for my courses over on Udemy, I offered a special bonus if they entered their name and their email. So, for example, on one of my courses, I teach people how to make money with the Bluehost affiliate program. And I offer them different email templates. If they click this button, which will take them to a landing page, they'll enter in their name and their email address. I have access to their name and their email, and now I can market to them even more stuff. So if you are going to go this route, one way to make more money is to offer some sort of bonus. Maybe you have a cheat sheet or a guide or something that you put together to help people understand algebra easily. You can offer that to them in exchange for their name and their email address. You get that, you can actually market to them more. Now that you know 6 different ways that you can make money online worldwide, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.